Been there, done that.
Alrighty.
We'll go ahead and start our number 2 engine here.
Alright.
So we're gonna press our start button here. Wait for our light to come on.
There you go.
Grab this boy. Wait for 20% N2. Throttle into idle. So we got our N2 rise, ITT rise, and our N1 release. So our engine's good so far. Alright, so we got 2, 4, 6, so that means our engine's stabilized, and we'll go ahead and spool up the number 1. We just gotta wait for our ITT to get below 120 before we add our start it. So 20 below 120. Engine vibe's good, oil pressure, oil temp, fuel flow, 246. Engines are stabilized. Check our synaptic pages, so we'll hit step. Got flow lines coming from our APU for each pack. Hydraulics, we got our engine driven pump, then our 4 ACMPs, our other pump, they're all putting out 3,000 plus or minus 100. IDG's giving us power, APU's also on. It's our DC electrical, we got our power coming off the main battery. Fuel pumps are on, scavenge pumps, fuel flow, everything's green. Flight controls, they're all neutral right now. If we move anything, our trims are neutral. Anti-ice, this is all the air coming off our engine. We got all the valves closed right now, so it's not going anywhere. And then here's all the doors on the plane. They're all green, indicating they're all closed. This is just a random menu that tells you your oil, and then if you want to reset your fuel used, and then back to our status page.
Do you mind if I walk to the back real quick? Is that alright?
And that is how you start a 900.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you for Mike for this. Appreciate this. So we're gonna do a quick rock around with the engine before the battery dies. Alrighty guys, it's a little dark. We got the engines running here. Thanks to Mike, this is awesome. Sorry guys, the window's dirty a little bit. He's revving it up. Okay. There's side, there's no window back there. Can't really see because it's really super dark, but the engine's right there. There's the wing. Awesome. What was that? I like 20. We're gonna do 20 next time. Okay, this is awesome. Feels good in here too. It's nice and cold now. First clamp. Now it's super quiet. The battery is dying, so this concludes the engine test. Thank you, Mike, for everything. This is awesome. And we will talk to you guys.
See ya. ya.
Bye.